Hi guys, hope you're all okay. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how we take apart broccoli. So first off, what you need is a damp cloth, which you're going to put on your work surface. Now the reason why we use a damp cloth is because if we put our chopping board on our work surface like this, it can just easily move. So we put it onto a damp cloth and it stops it from moving. Okay, the next thing that we need is our broccoli. So here we go. Now we can use everything from this broccoli, okay, everything. We can use the stem for stocks, for soups, for oriental dishes, for Chinese stuff, anything like that. But I'm just going to show you how to take these like broccoli florets off the broccoli. You can either use your knife and just go down the stem, or you can just break them off. Just all depends on how strong you are. And I'm not very strong, so I'm just going to use this knife. So I'm just going to literally just go all the way down the stem, like that, and then just pop off the ones that I've cut off. Oh, like all of them. Okay, so from here, I'm just going to break each one off. Some little ones for the kids, hide them in the dishes. There we go. So that is how we take the florets off our broccoli. Now we can use this part, we can grate it, we can slice it, we can cut it, we could peel it to make it into nice little lengths. There's loads of stuff that we could do with it, but what we're going to do with it is probably make it into a chicken stock, which you can find on another video. So if you enjoyed how we turned our broccoli into little florets for different meals, then give it a like and a share. Subscribe to us on YouTube. You can find us on Facebook and Instagram as well. And we'll see you on the next video. Thank you very much, guys. Bye.